I'm going to show you two different ways to this question. Quick way and then a slower way, but it still gives some insight into the problem, I think. Right, first way is to carefully count the cannonballs, but recognize that some of them are going to appear more than once. So I'm going to write down A, B, C, D, and E. Now I can count this A and this one here, but actually that one there will be the same as that one there because it's on the edge. If you have one here, it's going to be included in two of them. So I've actually only counted two lots of A. This one at the bottom will just be included once, and this one at the corner will be the same as this one. So there are four lots of A. Actually, it's worth just thinking about it. So we've got 20 cannonballs. So that means I've got all the A's that I need because there's going to be we're expecting to have four of each. So let's do the similar for B now. This B at the bottom is just one by itself, as is that one, but this B will be the same as that B. So I've got three of them, and then this one will be the same as that one. So there are four B's. On to C's, that one will be by itself. That corner one will be the same as that corner one, so I've got two of them. That one will be by itself, three. So I've got four lots of C. Now, D you have to be the most careful with because you've got this one at the top, and actually, that is only one cannonball. I've just counted it three times because you get it on every single one of the faces. So I've got one, and then this one gives me two, and then I get three. So I've actually only got three cannonballs with D on, which immediately gives me the answer. It's got to be that the middle one that you can't see is D. Let's just check for completeness. So for E, then I've got this one here and this one here. They only appear on this face, nowhere else. And then I've got this one, so three, and then these two are the same, so four. Okay, method two for this question. So this is actually how I did it. I'm not going to recommend you do it this way, but I decided to look down onto the main pyramid. So I've got one that looks like that, and then I've got the second layer looks like that. This. And then this one here. And I'm going to say, right, I'm looking at the pyramid from this direction, and it's going to be this direction here. I'm just going to pick it so I can be consistent. So looking top down, I can see that I've got D at the top for all of them. And if I'm going to get C and A, and I've kind of dealt with all these, and then the one at the back is going to be B. And then I'm going to get, remember I'm looking down, so this is going to be B, E, D now, this row here. And therefore this has got, if I now look along here, it's got to be A, E, and then this one will be C. So I've dealt with all of those. And then finally, this will be D, E, C, A. Now here's D, so I've just got to keep work backwards now. So it's going to be A, B, C, and then B and E. Okay, so I've actually managed to put down all the cannonballs except the one in the middle. So if I just count them up, I'm going to get, again, there are four A's, four B's, four C's, but only three D's, which gives you the missing one, but there are also four E's. So different approach. It didn't take that long actually, to be fair. So yeah, both are good.